In this video, we are going to solve the problems on construction of analytic function whose given its real or imaginary part. Here, this is a question. Determine the analytic function f of z that is in the form of u plus iv given that u equal to e power 2x into x cos 2y minus y sin 2y. Here the given real part. So using that we have to find the analytic function. Using that we have to find the analytic function. So here u is there. So for easy differentiation purpose, multiply that e power 2x with here e power 2x into x cos 2y minus e power 2x into y sin 2y. Y sin 2y. So here next differentiate with respect to x partially, that is dou u by dou x, or instead of writing that we have to write u suffix x. U suffix x. So here we have a e power x is a function of x is also a function of x, cos y is constant. Write that cos 2y constant as it is. Right, here we have to apply product rule. Write e power 2x as it is. Differentiation of x is 1 plus write x as it is. E power 2x differentiation e power 2x into 2. E power 2x into 2. So minus here differentiation of y sin 2y is constant. Y sin 2y constant, write that as it is. Differentiation of e power 2x is 2 into e power 2x. 2 into e power 2x. Therefore u suffix x is multiply that. Here in all the terms e power 2x is common, write that outside. We are left with again multiply this cos 2y with both the terms. Here 1 into cos 2y cos 2y. Here e power 2x is common, 2x into cos 2y. In last term also e power 2x is common, minus 2y sin 2y. This is our u suffix x or dou u by dou x. Similarly, what is our u suffix y? Differentiate that partially with respect to y, treating x as a constant. Here, this is our u. Write e power 2x x as it is. Cos 2y differentiation minus sin 2y into 2. Minus write that e power 2x constant as it is. Constant as it is. So, y into sin 2y, again we have to apply product rule. Write y as it is. Sin 2y differentiation cos 2y into 2 plus write sin 2y as it is. Differentiation of y is 1. Here in this also, here minus e power 2x, again minus e power 2x. Here also minus e power 2x is common. Write that minus e power 2x outside. We are left with 2x sin 2y. Here both the terms minus e power 2x is common, right? Plus 2 into y cos 2y. Here plus is there, so this will becomes minus sin 2y. Sin 2. These two are our partial derivatives of given u. Next we know that what is our f of z? F of z is u plus iv. F of z is u plus iv. F dash of z, differentiate that partially with respect to x. Ux plus ivx. Dou u by dou x plus I into dou v by dou x. So by CR equations, by Cauchy-Riemann equations, here we have a Cauchy-Riemann equation, dou u by dou x equal to dou v by dou y, and dou v by dou y equal to minus dou u by dou v by dou x equal to minus dou u by dou y, or we can write u suffix x equal to v suffix y and v suffix x equal to minus u. Here we have a partial derivatives in terms of u suffix x and y. We have to change that f dash of z by using CR equation. Write that u suffix x as it is. In place of vx we have to write minus uy, minus I into uy. Here therefore f dash of z equal to what is our ux? Here this is our ux. So write that e power 2x into cos 2y plus 2x cos 2y minus 2y sin 2y sin 2y. Here minus I into what is our u suffix y. Here also minus, already we have a minus sign in that. Here minus into minus plus I into e power 2x sin 2y plus 2y cos 2y minus sin 2. This is our ux plus I minus I uy. Here we have a minus sign, here also we have a minus sign, minus into minus plus, so I e power 2x. For this put x equal to 0, sorry, by Milne-Thomson substitutions, put x equal to z and y equal to 0. Put x equal to z and y equal to 0. So substitute those two in the above expression. F dash of z equal to, I will write, substitute that. So here this will become e power 2z, e power 2z. Here cos 2y is 0, that will becomes cos 0. 2xz, cos 2y is there, y 0, that is cos 0, minus 2y 0 into anything is 0. This term 2y sin 2y, y 0 into anything is 0. Plus I into again e power 2z, 2x sin 2y, so sin 0 into anything is 0. So here 2y into cos 2y, y 0 into anything is 0, minus sin 2y, sin 0 into sin 0. This term will become 0. This term will becomes 0. Next, e power 2z. What is the value of cos 0? Cos 0 value 1. Cos 0 value 1 minus 2. So here e power 2z. So 2z minus 1. 2z minus 1. Oh sorry, this is 0 into anything is, here also sin 2y is there, so sin 2y 0. So here this is 0. This is 1 plus 2z. 1 plus 2z. Here this is our f dash of z. F dash of z is 1 plus 2z into e power 2z. E power 2z. So next integrate with respect to z. Here this will becomes f of z. Integration differentiation will get cancelled. Here write this 1 plus 2z into e power 2z dz. If here we have to apply Bernoulli's rule, you are all familiar with this Bernoulli's rule of integration. So write this first function as it is, 1 plus 2z as it is, e power 2z integration e power 2z by 2 minus, here plus first alternative, right, alternative positive negative sign, positive negative, right, first function as it is, integration of Second, by using I late. So I here this is algebraic function. Write that first exponential t e last I late exponential is last. So e power 2z by 2. Right, differentiation of first function, that is 1, differentiation of 1 is 0, 2z 2, integral of this integrated quantity e power 2z by, again already we have a 1 by 2, that is 4 plus integral constant c. So here multiply this e power 2z by 2 with this term, e power 2z by 2 plus 2z into e power 2z by 2. Here 2 ones are 2 twos are minus e power 2z by 2 plus c. This is our f of z. Here plus c power 2z by 2 minus e power 2z by 2 and 2 also get cancelled. F of z equal to z e power 2z plus c. This is our required analytic function for the given problem, for this problem. So determine the analytic function f of z equal to u plus iv given that u equal to real part is given. So by using that we have to find the analytic function. Here the main thing is partial differentiation. So similarly the next question is, next problem is, find the analytic function f of z whose real part is sin 2x by cos hyperbolic 2y minus cos 2x. Here hyperbolic function is there. This is one of the important problem. Here the given real part. So using that real part we have to find the analytic function. After that we have to identify the imaginary part also. Here u is given u is sin 2x cos hyperbolic 2y minus cos 2x. Here we have to find the partial derivatives of the given function, that is u suffix x, differentiate that u partially with respect to x, So here we have to apply the quotient rule. Write denominator square in the denominator, cos hyperbolic 2y minus cos 2x whole square. Write denominator square in the denominator. Write denominator as it is, cos hyperbolic 2y minus cos 2x as it is, differentiation of numerator, that is with respect to x, partially with respect to x, sin 2x differentiation cos 2x into 2 minus, write that numerator as it is, sin 2y as it is. Here with respect to x, differentiation of denominator cos hyperbolic 2y, this is a function of y, differentiation of that is 0. Here minus cos 2x differentiation minus sin 2x into 2. Here write denominator square in the denominator, write denominator as it is in the numerator, differentiation of numerator, that is sin 2x differentiation cos 2x into 2 minus, write numerator as it is, differentiation of denominator here with respect to x. So cos hyperbolic 2y is function of y, that is 0 minus cos 2x differentiation minus sin 2x into 2. So this is our u suffix x. This is 2 cos 2x. Write cos hyperbolic 2y minus cos 2x. Here we have a 3 negative signs, minus into minus, plus, plus into minus, minus 2 sine square 2x. Sines 2 sine square 2x. Write the denominator as it is. Cos 2x whole square. Cos 2x whole square. So similarly, what is our u suffix y? Differentiate that partially with respect to x. Sorry, y. Here also write that quotient rule. Apply the quotient rule. Write denominator. Here u is there. Write denominator square in the denominator. Write denominator as it is. Cos hyperbolic 2y minus cos 2x as it is. Differentiation of numerator. Here sin 2x is there. Here sin 2x is there. Differentiation of sin 2x with respect to y is, that is function of x, 0, minus, write sin 2x as it is. Here cos hyperbolic 2y differentiation, sin hyperbolic 2y. Differentiation for hyperbolic functions, cos, both cos and sin. Differentiation of cos hyperbolic is sin hyperbolic. Sin hyperbolic is cos hyperbolic. Here 2y into 2. So 2y into 2. So cos 2x. So that's function of x 0. This first term will become 0. 0 into anything is 0. U suffix y. Here minus 2 into sin 2x sin hyperbolic 2y divided by cos hyperbolic 2y minus cos 2x whole square. Cos 2x whole square. So this is our u suffix y, this is our u suffix x. We know that what is our f of z? F of z is u plus iv. U plus iv. So differentiate that with respect to x partially. F dash of z is u suffix x plus I suffix I into v suffix x. Here in terms of though u by though x, though v by though x, we write this u suffix x and v suffix x. So by CR equations, what are our CR equations? U suffix x equal to v suffix y and vx equal to minus uy. V suffix x equal to minus u suffix y. So by using this CR equations, f dash of z will becomes, we have to change this with u. So ux minus I uy. In place of vx, we have to write minus uy. Here f dash of z equal to, so ux is 2 cos 2x cos hyperbolic 2y minus cos 2x minus 2 sin square 2x by cos hyperbolic 2y minus cos 2x whole square. This is our u suffix x plus, sorry, minus I uy is 2 sin 2x 2 sin 2x sin hyperbolic 2y divided by cos hyperbolic 2y minus cos 2x whole square. This is our u suffix y. By Milne-Thomson substitution, put x equal to z and y equal to 0. Put x equal to z and y equal to 0. Here by using these substitutions, if substitute x equal to z, 2 into cos 2z, here x is z. If y equal to 0, cos hyperbolic 0 value 1, sin hyperbolic 0 value 0. by using this 2 cos 2z cos hyperbolic y is 0 cos hyperbolic 0 1 minus cos 2z. Here sin x minus 2 sin square 2z, this our x is z, divided by here cos hyperbolic 0 is 1 minus cos 2z whole square minus I into here 2 sin 2z, here sin hyperbolic 0 value 0, so cos hyperbolic 0 value 1 minus cos 2z whole square. This is 0 into anything is 0. We are left with this f dash of z equal to 2 cos 2z, here 2 into 1, 2 cos 2z into 1 minus 2 cos square 2z minus 2 sin square 2z divided by 1 minus cos 2z whole square. 1 minus cos 2z whole square. So f dash of z equal to 2 cos 2z, here minus 2 is common, cos square 2z plus sin square 2z divided by 1 minus cos 2z whole square. Here 2 cos 2z minus cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. We are left with 2. So 1 minus cos 2z whole square. 1 minus cos 2z whole square. So here write minus 2 common. That is, if we write minus 2 common, here 1 minus cos 2z divided by 1 minus cos 2z whole square. So single will get cancelled. We are left with, that is, minus 2 by minus 2 by 1 minus cos 2z. Minus 2 by 1 minus cos 2z. So this is our f dash of that is our f dash of z. So here what is the formula for 1 minus cos 2 theta? 1 minus cos 2 theta formula. 1 minus cos 2 theta formula 2 sin square theta. 2 sin square theta formula 1 minus cos 2 theta 1 plus cos 2 theta formula 2 cos square theta. So here minus 2 by 2 sin square z. Here this is in terms of half angle. We have to reduce that into 2 theta. So here minus 2 get cancelled. 1 minus sin square z, that is f dash. This is our f dash of z. So here f dash of z is 1 minus 1 by sin square cosecant square z. Next integrate this. Integrate with respect to z. So f of z equal to integral of minus cosecant square z with respect to z. So here minus cosecant square z differentiation, that is minus cot z plus c. Here minus into minus plus cot z plus c. This is our required analytic function. This is our required analytic function. So here this is our first part. Here we have to find the partial derivatives carefully. U suffix x and u suffix y. Substitute that in f dash of z by using Cauchy-Riemann equations. So here after that by Milne-Thomson substitutions, here by using cos hyperbolic 0 1, sin hyperbolic 0 0. So by using that we have to simplify that carefully. Next, 1 minus cos 2 theta formula 2 sin square theta, 1 plus cos 2 theta formula 2 cos square theta. Here 1 minus cos 2 theta is there, 2 sin square theta. So 2 to get cancelled, 1 minus 1 by sin square z, that is minus cosecant square z. So integration of cosecant square z is minus cot z. So here this is our f of z. Here they mention hence find the imaginary part. So for that, by using this, for imaginary part, for here this is our required analytic function. By using this we have to find the imaginary part. Here f of z is cot z plus c. F of z can be written as, here cot z is there, cot z can be written as cos z by sin z plus c. Here z is x plus iy, right? Cos of x plus iy, sin of x plus iy. Write the complex conjugate of this. For simplification, multiply and divide it by complex conjugate of this. Sin of x minus iy, sin of x minus iy plus c. Here we have to apply sin a cos b formula. Sin a cos b formula. What is our sin a cos b formula? Sin of 1 by 2 times sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. Sin of a minus b. Next, here sin a sin b. This sin a sin b. What is our sin a sin b formula? Minus 1 by 2 times cos of a plus b minus cos of a minus b. This is our formula of sin a cos b and sin a sin b. Here this is our a, sin a cos b. 1 by 2 times sin of a plus b. Here a is x minus iy plus x plus iy plus sin of a minus b, x minus iy. Here b is x plus iy. Multiply that with negative sign, minus iy. Here listen carefully. This is minus 1 by 2 times cos of a plus b, cos of a minus b. Here a is x plus iy, b is x minus iy. I will rearrange like this. 1 by 2 times. I will multiply this negative sign to the bracket. So this will becomes plus. So cos of a is x plus iy, minus b is x minus iy. Multiply that with negative sign, minus x plus iy. This is our first term. This minus will becomes minus into minus plus minus cos of a plus b. A is x plus iy, b is x minus iy. X minus iy. Here we have to multiply this with negative sign here. So 1 by 2 get cancelled. Here also plus iy plus minus iy get cancelled. Here plus x minus x get cancelled. Here also plus x minus x plus x get cancelled. Here also plus minus iy plus iy get cancelled. We are left with sin 2x, x plus x sin 2x plus sin minus 2iy. Here minus iy minus 2iy. So here cos of 2iy minus cos of 2x. We know that cos of iy equal to cos hyperbolic theta. Sin of iy equal to I sin hyperbolic theta. By using this, here write sin 2x as it is. Sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. This sin 2iy can be written as, here sin iy can be written as I sin hyperbolic theta. Here sin of minus theta minus I sin hyperbolic 2y. Here theta is 2y. Divided by cos 2iy. So cos hyperbolic iy, cos hyperbolic theta. So cos hyperbolic 2y. Cos hyperbolic 2y minus cos 2x. Next, here separate the real and imaginary part. Sin 2x by cos hyperbolic 2y minus cos 2x minus I into sin hyperbolic 2y by cos hyperbolic 2y minus cos 2x. This is our u. They given in the question. That is our u. So this is our sin 2x by sin cos hyperbolic 2y minus cos 2x. So here v is minus sin hyperbolic 2y by cos hyperbolic y minus cos 2x. This is our imaginary part. This is our imaginary part. This is how we have to evaluate this problem. Here the main thing is partial differentiation. So go through this. Okay, thank you.